Hey guys, Danny here. Just going to show you the proper way to quickly clean your equipment. Alright, now that we're inside our piece of equipment and all of our trash and personal belongings have been taken out, we're going to go ahead and just start wiping everything down. So you're going to grab a rag and you're going to grab your interior cleaner, and you're really going to want to soak this rag, get it nice and wet. And then we're just going to start wiping down all the plastic, metal surfaces, leather seats if you have them, basically everything except for the glass. Now this is a newer piece of equipment, so it hasn't had the time to build up all that dust and dirt that yours is definitely going to have. We're just going to take our time though, try to get into all those hard to reach spots, places you might not even be able to see, but you know that there's dirt there, and just really do a nice, thorough job. That way the next time that you or somebody else gets into it, it's a piece of equipment that you're happy to be operating. But once you feel like you've done a nice thorough job with that first rag, you're going to go ahead and grab your second one. Now this rag's completely dry, and the purpose of this one is to just go back over, pick up any dust, dirt, leftover cleaner that you didn't get the first time. So we're just going to go back through all those tight spots, everywhere you just hit, until you feel like everything's dry and looking clean. And once you're done with that, you can move on to your glass. Now that we're done cleaning all the interior surfaces, we're going to go ahead and clean the windows. Now this is going to be the same process you just did. The only difference is you're switching products. So we're going to grab new towels, really soak these. Sitting out on the job sites, the sun tends to beat down on these windows and really heat them up. So the trick is to really soak this rag so that it leaves behind a lot of the cleaner on the window, and just move quickly. So you're going to soak it, move quickly, wipe it down as quick as you can, and then switch to that next towel. That way you can really buff it down. Now on super hot days, you might have to do smaller sections, like only doing half the window at the time. Basically whatever works so that that cleaner doesn't dry on the window. And once you're done, you feel like you've done a nice thorough job, got all the spots, we're going to move on and vacuum the floors. Alright, now that we're done with the windows, we're going to move on to our last step on the inside, and that's the floors. So you're just going to go ahead, pull your vacuum out, start vacuuming the floors, trying to get all that loose dirt, dust, anything that builds up over the course of the week. Paying attention to all the edges, corners, just trying to do a nice thorough job. Now if you want to take it a step further, you can always feel free to take that interior cleaner, spray it on the floors, use that same rag you use for all the surfaces, and just try to wipe these floors up a little further, make them just a little bit cleaner for you or whoever uses it next.